All right, so let's continue. We are going to create a, let's see, this little star coin. So we just need to, what's it called? A box, right? Front. Let's make it big like this, pretty evenly, and then validate. And then we can cut it apart with trim. Nope. Let's change the angle here. 45. Okay. Oh, change the mirroring to affect the y-axis to make it local. Let's see what happens there. Okay, sweet. Two sides. Yeah, that's not terrible. Okay. Let's do increments. Oh, take off the y-axis here. So 45, and now we want like 30. Nope. Sweet. Okay, that's not terrible. Let's see if we can just adjust here like that. Nice. All right, and then we're gonna make it smaller, thinner. Sorry. Let's fix. Oh, wrong way. Blue one instead. Okay, that's good. Then we're gonna fix the voxel right there. That's not bad. Let's do smoothing. Oh, decrease the intensity to like 50 and radius to like 65. And then I guess we can also do Y-plane here. That'll make things go a lot. Oh, yeah, a lot faster. Sweet. Nice. And then we duplicate this. Let's see, where are you? Oh. Gizmo. We're gonna make this smaller, like that. Like this. Okay. And then this is going to be the cut, and this is going to be what we're adding together. And then voxel merge, so we get that right there. And then let's go right here. One thing we can really do quickly is do a mask. So we can create our star. So go to mask, front, make sure local's on, XYZ, sweet. Okay. All right. Like that. Yeah, we can make a star like that instead. Sweet. Okay. Then we're gonna do invert here, and we're gonna extract shell. and it's gonna be like thickness 0.1. So extract. Oh, we gotta delete this. So unmask. Oh, we gotta mask this. Okay, there. Why is it doing that? I guess it's too thin. All right, let's solve this by making the coin thicker. So go to Gizmo, like that. All right, that shouldn't be too bad. So go to front again, go to mask, take off the Y at least. Oh, unmask. There we are. Sweet. Okay, then go through. That is what we want. Let's see if we can make this sharper. Sweet. Then go up here, invert, and we can do extract, but that doesn't work. So we're gonna do, what's it called? Engrave. I think I'm doing it backwards, yeah. All right, let's invert again and do extract. All right, there's our little star, sweet. And then we can pull here. Oh, we pull up. Oh, sorry about that. Mask. Make this bigger, so thickness. We're gonna make it like, actually, yeah, this is good. 0.2, okay. Then extract, sweet. So now our star is all good, and then we clear. All right, and where is this? Oh, that's right, we gotta add them together. So voxel merge, and we smooth things out here, decrease the intensity, and there we are. So I hope that helped. So now we got our little star coin, little star gold coin. We could also redo it again and make this more centered, really up to you, but we made it. So congrats. Let's do our UV unwrapping real quick. C39K, that shouldn't take too long. Sweet, pretty fast. And then let's paint it. So we're just gonna do a simple gold, force paint. Sweet. We got our gold star coin. All right, see you in the next video. Hope this helps.